Congratulations on finishing the Introduction to Dask tutorial, in which you've learned how to scale your Python data workloads with parallel computing. In this course, you have hopefully built some intuition around what Dask is. You have written some code that has given you a sense of how you can use it in different use cases. And you've hopefully also gained some understanding about how Dask works under the hood. We've seen how PyData libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn are limited by the fact that they process computations on a single core, and how Dask solves this problem by performing parallel computation on multiple cores, potentially also distributed over multiple machines, making these libraries faster and scalable. We also talked about the different situations in which you might want to use Dask, if your data size is increasing or if your computations are running too slow. We'll also reiterate here again that if your data fits in memory and your code is running fast enough, you probably shouldn't be using Dask. Let's end with a quick recap of everything we covered in this tutorial. Module 1 talked about the power of parallel computing. It included a general introduction about what parallel computing is and how Dask unlocks the power of parallel computing in Python. Module 2 applied this to working with tabular data using Dask data frames, which is the scalable parallel version of Pandas. Module 3 did something similar, but then for array data with Dask arrays, which are the scalable and parallel version of NumPy. Module 4 dove into performing machine learning at scale with Dask ML. And Module 5 talked about how you can parallelize Python code with Dask delayed. Hopefully this is the beginning of an exciting learning journey with Dask. We'd like to give you some more resources to continue your learning journey. The Dask Examples website hosts some great code examples for different Dask use cases. The Dask Discourse is a great place to learn from other people's questions and experiences. And the Dask YouTube channel hosts a wide range of exciting and engaging content that digs deeper into specific topics. We'd also love for you to join the Dask community, and there's a few ways to do so. You can ask questions and engage in conversations on the Dask Discourse. You can also contribute code directly to the open source Dask codebase. And you can tweet at us at DaskDev. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy scaling.